Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect PayPal payments to Bubble, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect PayPal payments to Bubble, start by logging into your Bubble account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the app where you want to integrate PayPal. In the left sidebar, find and click on the Plugins section. Click on the Add Plugins button at the top right corner of the Plugins page. In the search bar, type PayPal to find the PayPal plugins available for Bubble. Select the PayPal plugin that best fits your needs, and click the Install button. After installation, return to the Plugins section and locate the PayPal plugin in the list. Click on the plugin to open its settings. Here, you will need to enter your PayPal merchant ID. To find your merchant ID, log into your PayPal account and navigate to Account Settings. In Account Settings, look for the Account Information section to locate your merchant ID. Copy the merchant ID and return to your Bubble app. Paste the merchant ID into the appropriate field in the PayPal plugin settings. Now you need to define your payment actions in Bubble. Go to the Workflows section of your app. Create a new workflow for the action you want to take when a user makes a payment. In the Workflow Actions, find the option to add an action. Choose the PayPal action that corresponds to the payment type you want to set up. Configure the action by specifying the payment amount and any other necessary parameters. Make sure to include any relevant information to process the payment correctly. To ensure everything is functioning properly, test your payment workflow. Use the Bubble Preview mode to simulate a payment and check for any errors. If everything works smoothly, your PayPal connection is now set up. Remember to check for any required permissions or settings in your PayPal account to facilitate smooth transactions. Once you're satisfied with the integration, you can proceed to launch your app. Congratulations, you have successfully connected PayPal payments to Bubble. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.